Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to this channel again. This video is all about if you're facing low speed or a very slow speed while using a mobile phone. Your mobile data is slow. How can you overcome this issue? Guys, I will tell you just only two things by which you can solve it, because there is only two reasons why this problem happens. The first reason is checking your network connection. Maybe your network connection or maybe network connection of your location is poor, that's why there is low data speed. We are in a good connection, that network setting, you can see there is full network in my phone right now. Just check your network. If your network is no, so you just have to change place to remove or upgrade your network connection or speed. After that, if there is full here, what can you do? You just have to swipe from the right bottom of or top of your screen, click on the airplane mode button here on your mobile phone. Whenever you will click on it, you just have to switch it on for 3 or 4 seconds and then switch it off. After that, your phone will be refreshed. And the last step which you can do, just search for the customer care number of your network service provider or SIM card provider and then contact to them. Complain about your low data speed, that may be due to their server and there is no issue of your phone in that. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this.